welcome to the Uma Show. Today I am doing an episode on something very interesting. A lot of you have asked me after you've seen my video on Instagram, and I thought I'll do a full video on it. And the video is on intraoral or buccal massage, which is made famous by none other than Meghan Markle. Well, this massage is basically done from inside of your mouth. And why is it done? And how is it done exactly is what I'm going to show. So if you've seen my video on face massage and face yoga so far, you know that which something that I've spoken about is that we carry a lot of our stress and emotions here on this part of our face, especially the jawline here. And when we do intraoral massage, it helps us release all that stress and tension, especially from the masseter muscle, which is one of the strongest muscles that we have. It also helps us in chewing, and most of the time it becomes so hard here, which is also a reason for headache and carrying all this heaviness that we carry in this part of the body. Intraoral massage helps release all that pressure and stress. It also increases blood circulation. It also stimulates this entire area. And when it does help in blood circulation and stimulates this whole area, the nutrients travel better and gets absorbed by the cells and the tissues that need nutrients. But one of the most important functions of buccal massage is lymphatic drainage. And lymphatic drainage is so important. It supports our immune system. It doesn't have its own pump, and so it needs help to pump out all those fluids that are filled with toxins, and that is not required. And that is done manually. So you've seen my videos where I've done lymphatic drainage, and if you've done my workshops or you've taken my online courses, I focus a lot on lymphatic drainage. So today I'm going to show you how to do it from intraoral or from inside of your mouth, and how to release this whole area from the stress and tension. You can do it without anything, just wash your face and wash your hands, apply some oil and do it, but I like to do it with gloves on somehow. My nails are always short. If you have long nails, then maybe you need to be careful, because when you are inserting your fingers inside the mouth, it might just hurt the muscles. And so all the more reason that you wear gloves. I have short nails, so it's fine. So be careful if you have long nails. Always apply some oil, not too much, just to have that glide that we require in this part of the face. So we're going to start from the masseter muscle and then move on upwards, and then also work around our lip area. And you will feel, once you can maybe start doing it with me, even if you don't have your gloves, it's fine. You can do it with me and you will feel towards the end of it so light, and you will and if you do it regularly, you see the difference, how this whole area starts to evolve and change. Just make sure your gloves doesn't have any talcum powder in it, any kind of powder basically, just clean gloves. And wear them. If you find it difficult to wear them, just wet your hands a bit. Make sure they are of your size so that we don't have any extra material hanging from our fingers. And then we start off. So I'm going to start with my right hand and I'll insert it towards my left. So insert your thumb like this and hold the muscle here, which is the masseter muscle. And with these 4 fingers, just move one circular motion. If this muscle is tight, you will feel the pain, because we have stored lots of stress there. So all the more reason that you need to release it. I do it regularly, so I don't feel it that much, but I do yet feel a little bit of pain here. So do it for a few seconds. Once you're done with that, you can come to this area and we'll work on we'll work on this whole cheek area, where we have zygomatic minor and zygomatic major muscles. So insert your thumb again, and then you can go in a circular motion from top to bottom. So basically you have your thumb here, and you can place your thumb just under this cheekbone, and you're moving with your forefingers. Once you're done with that area, we'll come to our nasolabial fold. So insert your thumb here like this, just under the laugh lines, and then go on top with circular motion like this. This is great to smoothen out these lines. And then you can work on the upper lip. Just pull and stretch the muscle a little bit, not too much, and you'll feel the release. Oh, it feels so good. We never end up stretching this. Once you're done with that, place the thumb here itself, and then you can release and do the lymphatic drainage around your eyes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Once you're done with this side, you can go back on the other side. So you will insert your thumb, start with your masseter muscle here, this one, release this, or go with circular motion, or just press it here if you feel the pain. All the more reason to release the stress. Once you're done with that, you'll go on the cheek from top to bottom, maybe 10 times. You can initially start with light pressure and then increase the pressure later on. Then you'll come to nasolabial fold here. So you insert the thumb here just under it, and then either you come towards the lip or you do circular motion here. And then release the stress and tension on the upper lip. And then keep your thumb here, and then go around your eyes to drain your eyes. I feel so light. It's unbelievable how I'm feeling right now. Only if you do it, you will know how it really feels. I feel like a big burden is taken off my face and shoulders right now. The whole area is feeling so light. And just generally, I'm feeling light in my emotions too. It's just amazing how much of our emotions we store in these muscles and these tissues on a cellular level. And when you massage this way, you know, not just from the outside but also from the inside, it's just magical. It just makes you feel so relaxed. You feel the release. You feel like you feel so light. And apart from all the other benefits, this is the benefit that I like the most. But if you do it consistently, you will see your nasolabial folds diminishing. You will also see your face getting lifted, a jawline sharpening. You can do it once a week. Try it and see how you feel. I highly recommend doing it with gloves, but if you don't want to do it with gloves, you can easily do it with your own hands, but make sure you clean them well. Let me know what you thought about this video. I'm always trying to share things that I have learned over the years that has helped me so that it can help you too. My clients really enjoy buccal massage, and I thought, let me share with you guys, let you guys try it and see how you feel about it, and share with me how you feel. If you want to learn the whole structure of face massage and face yoga, you must check out my 7-day facelift, wherein I give all the details of how to go from your chest to your forehead step by step, because when there is a structure, you see better results. And I also help you incorporate that into your daily skincare ritual so that you can be consistent and you can see some great results. So see you soon. Thank you so much for watching, and leave your comments below and let me know what you would like to see more in the Oma Show. Sending you lots of love, hugs, and